So, yeah, it's your boy. We're in the building and we're keeping it real. 100. Reporting all the way down from United Kingdom. Man's not happy, you know. Big man thing. Man's not happy. This whole Naira Malish, you know. Man's not happy, you know. Seriously. But anyway, we see they paraded the boy all over TV in Nigeria. About 10 men surrounding him with guns and all types of uniforms. We're not finding that funny, you know. We're not finding it funny. But in case you don't know what happened, I'm just going to run down the story still.
I saw the message that you put out for Naira Marley, and I saw the response.
It depends on the response. Response from who?
From Naira Marley himself.
For a young upcoming artist like him, he shouldn't be doing stuff like that. You don't come out and just start celebrating fraud. Especially something not just Nigeria, but what the whole world is frowning upon. You understand?
Great.
You don't want to know how they look at Nigerians abroad because of fraud.
Oh.
Does two wrongs make a right?
No!
Because the government is making us lack a lot of things like jobs and all. You now want to start stealing and robbing and killing and say, oh, and you want to say it's because the government is not, providing you with certain things.
Hey.
Everybody in the London, in the America, in the Dublin, we are not supporting that boy. He's a fraudster and so. We are hardworking. There are a lot of hardworking Nigerians.
If you not record, just record this part. This is the part I need to record. Rugged man, stop saying my name. Your time is gone. If I'm an upcoming artist, you are a downgoing artist. In fact, you're gone down artist. Change your boot cut jeans. They don't wear that no more. Change it. You broke Nice and his ex-wife relationship because you go and have sex with her. Like, because you are a moron. You are done out here. Are you even a musician? Or what are you? Or you're not even a blogger. You're a Naira Marley blogger. Stay away from me. Leave me alone. And I'm not going to follow you back, Rugged Man. I'm not going to follow you back on Instagram because you're running your mouth. And the song you want to make, that I told you to send it over. I haven't even checked. I won't even check you my email. No, you don't have no more chance now. No, you're finished. I'm going to change the boot cut thing. I've been arrested 124 times in England. Arrested, gone in the cell. You don't know nothing about me. I'm not singing love song or slow jam song. I sing a gang music from early, man, a gangster, real gangster. You see how the thing set. Me not really care about all you illiterate, all you stupid idiot. Chatting rubbish. Think I care, bruv? Bruv, is there any Yahoo?
Gbogbo don't know, gbogbo don't know. All you guys, gbogbo to alapo yin, you think it's the government that's letting the money go around. You better sit there and pray for the Yahoo boys. If they stop Yahoo, the money will not go past you guys. The money just go like this. From Obasanjo to Tinubu to Mr. Japa to... You think me I need Yahoo? Me I don't need Yahoo. I make money from music and you get what I'm saying? I'm just telling you, Lord, shitting. All the money that's going on, you don't know what you are like that. This is what you are like for. This is what Olosho, Tolosho fi nothing war. Don't feel big cab. Don't feel about. Where do you think it's coming from? Where the fuck do you think it's coming from? Do you think it's coming from the government?
A lot of them they call me because of Naira Marley. Now they say I don't want to put mouth for Naira Marley matter. Yes, me I don't go put my mouth for where small pikin they insult in elder and some people they try to make the elder look stupid when they talk the truth. But I go only tell you, we say, Pikin, no go bad, we go say, make them kill her. We go find a way to save her. Me, I grew up for street, so I go through a lot of things, I do a lot of things for my life. I don't go talk, say, make my Pikin do am, or make my Pikin put am for bad thing, because I put am for bad thing when I grow up. You understand me? So, but me, I go beg the EFCC authorities, say, I beg, make them temper justice with mercy, make them go around this investigation to see the way they go to support this young man because a young man way does they grow. People like say,
yo, it's just mad. Man's not happy, you know. Big man thing. Man's not happy. What's going on with this Naira Marley thing, you know? It's mad out here. You know what I mean? They just lock mans up just like that. Without no court, no... Well, you got caught there after 10 days, though. And you have to wait another 10 days. That's like... What? This is madness. He got arrested, what, May 10th? Today is, what, 21st? Court date 30. What? What's going on? Like, you know, the UK is not happy about this whole thing, you know. We're not happy, man. We're not happy that you guys want to take Naira Marley from us. Because he was giving us good music, man. We was enjoying that. We was enjoying the whole Shaku, the whole movements, the whole Zanku movement. Everything was going down. You guys just want to, you know, you want to make him the next fella. He's going to be a legend when he comes out. Because now we gotta listen to some new music from him, man. Because you can't keep him forever. But I'm sure he's strong enough to hold his head down there, regardless how long you guys want to keep him for. He's gonna come out, and that's what you guys need to be thinking about. Because you guys are creating legends out here by locking people up for nothing. He does music, not whatever you guys think he's doing, man. I don't even want to get involved in the case, but I'm just saying, like, somebody in Nigeria should speak out and let these people know to let Naira Marley go, man. It's not even a joke. Like, Rugged Man, they're just like, oh man, Rugged Man, you know. boogie, what they call it, the boogie trousers, in it. Man, people say Naira Marley disrespected him, but he should have never been sliding in Naira Marley's DMs, and then when he wants to talk about him, he goes straight to the TV. That's where he fucked up, and that's where the lines were drawn, and that's why I think Naira Marley had the right to say whatever he wanted to say, because he got himself involved. But it seems like Rugged Man's got some people out there that's locking people up. You know what I'm saying? Allegedly, you know, everything I'm saying is allegedly anyway. So, you know, I don't want no EFCC beef, man. I'm just saying though, because I don't know. They said it's a laptop. It's not even a credit card, and they put the number out there. Like, what the fuck? Like, where did they do that at? Where they do that at? They actually put the number of the credit card on the indictment or the charge and post it online. This is mad. And people are saying the card is not correct anyway, because people could go use that card, innit? But like, if that card is wrong, then that means he gets acquitted, innit? Right? Alright, I don't like, you know what I mean? I'm just saying though. It's mad. You know, and then 10 soldiers around him when he's going to court. You know, that was a bit like, what the hell? What did this guy do? Crash an elephant into a hut? What is it? You know, we're not happy out here, man. It's not even funny, man. Free Naira Marley, man. That's what it is, man. And that's just what it is. That's what's going to kickstart this video thing. We need to free him, because he ain't done nothing to nobody. Simple. He done nothing to none of you guys, man. That's how you guys done fella. You guys done everything. But now the whole world is watching. The whole world is watching you. So whatever you do to him, just make sure he comes out alive. And don't kill him. Don't kill him how you killed other people. That's what he said. One friendship maybe Abiola. Abiola died in jail, you know. Free Naira Marley, and only him knows what he's seeing there. I pray for him and his family. I saw his mother outside the court. It was not funny. For the whole day, like 4 hours, you're paying all of them to follow Naira Marley over to credit card. Come on now, it's mad. I'm not even going to get into the politics now, but you know, somebody's definitely putting their leg down and making sure Naira Marley is not coming out, because this is not normal. This is not normal at all, man. Anyway, peace out, man. Make sure you subscribe and leave your comments below this video. One
of the worst crimes ever committed in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. A man single-handedly mismanaged over 100 billion in a nation where we have thousands, hundreds of thousands of graduates roaming the streets. A man mismanaged 100 billion. The same man is cruising on the street of Abuja with bulletproof cars. What is the future of Nigeria?
Our gang.
If Naira Marley is a thief or you've caught him and it's true and he pleads to what he's done, Yes, let him face the court of law. Let the judge judge. Let things work the way it is. If you are a thief and you are caught, but then if he's not a thief and you people are doing this, Ọlọ́run wá o, and you know that bímọ o, èmi náà bímọ torí èmi ṣe lè ṣe bí o. I will say something sometimes. I will apologize because I know I have a daughter. Even if the evil act doesn't catch up with me, it can catch up with my child. Come on, people. Come on, people. Let's love ourselves. If we cannot find love, àwọn àbúrò yín tó wà lójúlóńdé tó wà ọbalẹ̀ndé ìyá máa jẹ́ kí sars wọn lára. Love him. He has it. Good. God bless you, Satan. God bless you. Hey, Naira Oje, God bless you. Let everybody eat. You want to be. A huge and a big shout out to Daddy Shoki. Ọgbọ́n àti ìmọ̀ tẹ́ fi ń sọ̀rọ̀, tẹ́ fi ń lahùn. May the good Lord continue to keep and bless you, sir. Thank you very much. I also saw the videos onto how the police and the armed men surrounded Naira Marley as if they had caught the biggest robber of our generation, as if they had caught a Boko Haram member. Let me remind you, I was even more depressed as to the comments that I saw on Instablog. You could see the hate, the envy, and the jealousy in the minds of Nigerians. Yet, we want a better Nigeria. Yet, we want to clean the future for our kids. We continue to arrest the people that sing and talk about robbery, but we leave the robbers, the real true fraudsters. Naira Marley lówó inú ilé Zlatan lẹ́tí lọ bá ẹ̀ Baleko Hotel tó jókòó bí ọba. Naira Marley is a real thief. When he got to Nigeria, he still doesn't have a car. Kura Jiwa Kura Rolls Royce.
Yes, so still on this Bobrisky matter. Yes, about police force. I want to ask one question. When I go catch that boy that time, when I see that boy, they talk say, did they cut me? They use the TT, Lord Sky use the TT, do song. Did they cut me? Did they cut me? Now go arrest and say in a suspected gay with the gay members. When I go arrest them. Now say I'm not known a life. Why una go arrest them? Person like say okay normally na have suspect na arrest them. Now no fit go arrest person like say publicly they glorify gay. Now no fit go arrest them. Come now they behave themselves for this country because I don't see now no just want to get sense. Why not go arrest that one and I don't have power reach but I no fit arrest Bobrisky. I want to know the reason why I no fit arrest Bobrisky. I want you to know that reason what is the reason why they no fit arrest Bobrisky? Or they just change the law, me they tell us.
Okay.